It's time to take a break from wooden models and assemble this 3D mechanical golden scorpion. And just look at the box. That looks absolutely nice. It's kinda like a steampunk type of looking box. Absolutely awesome. So let's have a quick look at what's in the kit before we begin the assembly. So there's a few tools. So we've got a very small spanner, as we can see. We got our screwdriver, we got our tweezers, and we've also got a small Allen key. And we've got lots of parts, lots of screws right here, as you can see. Lots of nuts there, and this is what I'm interested in. All of this. There's a little wee thingy, whatever this is. If you understand what this says, can you leave a comment down below and tell me exactly what this says, because I do not speak that language. Right, as we can see, look at all that. That goldeny colour, that looks absolutely awesome. Not everything is going to be golden, it's like the claws and the spiky type of things, you know, it will look absolutely awesome. And as you can see, the rest of it is silver. That is very shiny. Absolutely love it. That's one good thing about metal models. They're mostly really shiny, which is really cool. And if you'd like to take a wee break from wooden models, or you don't do them at all, you just do metal models, check out the link in this video description and the comment section and head over to Metal Couture website and make sure you use my promo code Martins to receive 12% off everything. That is huge savings. So head over to their website and get your own metal models, and let's begin the assembly. And there you go. Check this out, that looks absolutely awesome, and obviously you can move the legs however you want, you can move the claws however you want, you can also move the tail however you want, and this bit right here, you can move it from left to right. Look at that, absolutely love that tail, that looks absolutely brilliant. Look at all those spikes and everything. And I do absolutely love the shiny parts, and those goldeny colours just make you look absolutely awesome. If it was just plain stainless steel, I don't think it would look as good. All that golden colour just makes it look way better, you see. And see, when you're moving everything, trust me, screws will start to get loose slightly, but it's okay, because you've got a screwdriver and you just tighten them again. It's as simple as that. The actual instructions of this model were perfect. Very straightforward to follow and nothing was wrong. I personally didn't find anything wrong with him at all. And when I did my research about this, it said it takes about 4 to 8 hours to assemble, and 8 hours seems a little bit excessive because it did take me just over 4 hours, but 8 hours, yes, I would assume it would be for people possibly that have not assembled any kits at all, and this is absolutely perfect if you've never assembled a metal model before. Well, yeah, look at the size, it just fits in your palm very nicely. And yeah, as I mentioned, very straightforward to assemble, so if you've never done one, I would say this is a very good way to get into metal models. Absolutely love it. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you leave a like for this absolutely awesome Metal Golden Scorpion. And make sure you also subscribe for more and check out Metal Couture models on their website. I've got a link in description and the comments section below. And make sure you use my promo code Martins to receive 12% off on everything. That is absolutely massive saving. And trust me, the models that they have, all it's going to take for you is just to take one look and you're going to be pretty gobsmacked, because they have some incredible looking models. Absolutely big ones as well, with thousands of pieces. That's probably for experts maybe, but if you're a beginner, of course you could try it. You're just going to take time, you know, take time, that's all you need, and you're going to absolutely love it, especially their steampunk stuff. It's absolutely brilliant. And I so hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Again, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.